20th kanji, 20 numbers. So here the meaning of that kanji is child for child. So here a stroke of that kanji first. So here is again first and second, longer, horizontal one, so longer, again first and second. So here is first and here is second. So first and second, so sound like that, ko and she, ko and she. So here we will learn some word. So here first, kodomo. So here ko and domo. Here so then this. So kodomo, here is children. Kodomo, children. So here otokono ko, oto, vertical one, then horizontal, and here otoko. So this is the hiragana, otokono. This is the kanji ko, otokono ko. A boy, otokono ko, a boy. So again, ko neko. So ko is the ko and neko here first, second and third. So later this, that, and ta and the here, ta and the ko neko, ko neko. That means kitten, that means child, cat, child, cat. Ko neko, ko neko. Okashi, so hiragana, o, kashi. So here, and longer vertical one, and here is a horizontal longer one, and then left and right slightly inclined. So again, kashi. So okashi sound is here. So candy, and for the case of sweet, okashi, okashi. So here is 4 words: okashi, ko neko, otoko no ko, kodomo.